Again, cover up the carpet. Protect the walkway. Put up a curtain, protect from dust. Remove the carpet here from water saturation all the way back into this bedroom. Just shows you how far water really travels. Remove the carpet, the wet saturated carpet. The leak actually occurred in the attic. It came from the water heater.
As far as the tile?
The tile's wet. We decided to try to save it and dry it out. It may need to be removed on the backside. Nothing showing signs of cracking, popping right now, so just kind of wait and see. This is